Hi, this is Charlie Jackson with your weekly housing market update. And here's what's happened this past week and what it could mean for you. June brought encouraging inflation news. Both consumer and wholesale inflation came in lower than expected. Consumer prices fell 0.4% for the month, and annual inflation eased to 3.5%. And wholesale prices also declined, helped by lower energy costs. And why does that matter? Well, inflation is one of the biggest factors the Federal Reserve watches when deciding whether to adjust interest rates. The Fed will continue monitoring inflation, the labor market, and global events before making any future policy changes. In housing, pending home sales fell 5.4% in June, ending a 4 month streak of gains. And the report is another reminder that buyers remain very sensitive to mortgage rates and affordability. And there was better news for home construction. Housing starts, for example, rebounded 19% after May's decline and came in well above expectations. However, building permits slipped 3%, showing builders remain cautious as affordability, mortgage rates, and construction costs continue to create challenges. The broader economy also showed resilience. Retail sales increased 0.2% in June. Excluding gasoline purchases, sales were up a stronger 0.7%, suggesting Ugh. consumers are continuing to spend despite ongoing economic uncertainty. Finally, oil prices moved higher as tensions involving the US and Iran increased, making energy costs another key trend to watch. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, or simply have questions about today's market, I'm here to help. I'm Charlie Jackson with Safeguard Mortgage Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.